Hello, everyone.
卖好水果，立体上好市集。
哦，地震！
好水经由生活圈。
Tables rattled, lights swung, and panic filled the room as a 7.3 earthquake hit a cafe in Vanuatu. That single moment showed what truly comes first in his life. An ordinary workday suddenly turned chaotic when a powerful earthquake shook a high-rise building in the Philippines. This home fell apart as the earthquake in Turkey struck with devastating force. A peaceful poolside scene was disrupted when an earthquake rocked the rooftop and stirred the water into waves. Indonesia was rocked by a powerful 7.5 quake that split streets apart while structures swayed dangerously.
Fill it in a few different times just to kind of get a real deep color.
You can almost feel the grief of the people as their sacred place gave way in the quake.
Guys, linog, Lord, tabang Lord, Lord, tabang Lord, Lord, tabang Lord.
As soon as you notice the shaking, head to an open space for safety, just like they did here. Mountain roads carry landslide dangers, and this car was lucky to avoid a rock dislodged by the earthquake. Off T. Within seconds, the earthquake's force proved too much for high-rise buildings in Turkey, leading to their collapse. A normal swim quickly turned frightening as a powerful 7.8 quake shook violently, sending waves across the pool while everything around them trembled. Watching the water surge inside the pool shows just how powerful the earthquake in Turkey was, with every tremor visible through the waves. Underwater earthquakes are rarely visible, yet these divers experience the seabed shaking right before their eyes. Within seconds, the earthquake shattered the cafe's calm atmosphere, forcing everyone to quickly seek an exit. The violent shaking in Alaska left customers and staff no time to think, as everyone rushed toward the door. After a powerful 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck southern China, a terrifying landslide followed, sending people running in panic.
Hey!
The visible damage shows how strong the quake was, yet thankfully the structure didn't fully collapse. Even though houses in Japan are designed to withstand shaking, some structures can't endure the force of major quakes. Tremors echoed everywhere as statues fell and crowds fled in panic during the powerful earthquake. A haunting scene from the 2018 disaster in Indonesia, as powerful tremors and a 10-meter tsunami left residents in panic.
Tuhan Yesus.
The 7.7 quake in Myanmar highlights the importance of leaving buildings and staying away from potential falling hazards. Disaster upon disaster as Turkey faced severe flooding after the quake, washing away a bridge.
Köprüye bak. Köprüye bak gençler. Gençler yola bak. Yola çöktü. Gençler.
Despite the violent shaking, the students reacted calmly and quickly sought safe cover.
Oh my god! Oh! 地震！哎呦我操 ！Oh my god!
I was stunned to watch a high-rise building shake violently during the 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Thailand in March 2025, leading to unprecedented damage. Valuable footage from Japan's historic 2011 earthquake reveals widespread destruction, and even more terrifying was the tsunami that followed, creating a double disaster that haunted the world. This proves that no matter how solid our roads are, humanity still struggles against nature's fury. The severe damage caused by the earthquake forced Japan to spend years rebuilding infrastructure and supporting disaster-stricken communities.
어때?
You can surely feel the man's terror as he faces the monster beneath the ground, shaking everything around him. The violent quake in Nepal threw everything into turmoil, shaking the earth and blasting dust into the sky. CCTV footage shows chaos inside Mahamuni Temple as the quake struck Mandalay, with people immediately running for shelter. The earthquake caused serious impacts. Thankfully, everyone left the area in time before the roof gave way entirely. Nepal's streets turned chaotic as the quake toppled a wall, with residents scrambling for safety. The 5.6 quake in Pakistan impacted multiple cities, leaving over 300 injured and roads badly fractured. It was truly devastating. A frightening scene as a landslide hit Peru after days of heavy rain, burying 30 hectares. More than 100 buildings were destroyed, yet luckily no injuries were reported, though many families were left with nothing. A bridge in Taiwan shattered into a zigzag shape as the 6.8 magnitude quake struck on September 18. The road shattered into hundreds of pieces due to an earthquake-triggered landslide in Myanmar. The damage was truly severe. In 2018, Alaska was shaken by a 7.0 quake, prompting families to rush out of their homes to stay safe. The moment a 9.0 quake triggered a tsunami flooding Sendai Airport revealed nature's terrifying power. After every tremor comes stories of loss, but also journeys of rebuilding and hope. Cherish the peaceful moments around you. Don't forget to share your thoughts below.